If your garage door is giving you trouble, you need to check out Arrowhead Garage Door Repair. They know their stuff. Whether it's a quick fix or a complete overhaul, their expertise means you're getting quality service from folks who truly care about their community. They're not just in it for the money, they're all about building relationships and ensuring your garage door runs smoothly for years to come. So, if you want reliable service from a team that's been around the block and knows what they're doing, click the link to learn more and get your garage door sorted today.